our amazing festival goes on. So let him introduce himself. Please briefly introduce yourself. What's your name? Which country you are represent?
I'm Aziz, and we are representing the country of Palestine on this amazing culture day.
Is it your first visit?
It is my second year here.
Second year. Which
Second year doing the culture day, but my third year in the university, I study psychology.
Psychology.
Yes.
Why did you choose Medipol University?
Well, because it's so diverse in culture, and because it was my only real option. So,
How you can say about the culture of Turkey? Did you like it?
of course, it is one of the richest countries, not only in culture but also in history, and it is obviously the birth of many ancient historical empires, such as the Ottoman, Byzantine, and the Roman Empire, of course.
Of course. Do you have some similarity with Turkish culture and with your country?
Yes, I've noticed that even in the way we do our weddings, in the way we do our celebrations, the dances,
Really?
and even in the way we drink chai, it is all very, very similar in terms of food.
You say chai also.
Yes, of course. We are going to bring chai here. This is a pot, but we have more
Do you know
coming.
about Turkmenistan?
Turkmenistan, yes, of
Have
course.
you heard?
Yes,
So
of
we are from Turkmenistan. We also say chai.
Yes.
It's also similar. So
Yes, we say chai.
yeah, we also
What's
say
that?
chai. So we have Turkish, Turkmens, Palestine similarity. It's
Yes.
very nice to hear that.
It comes from the same place.
Yes, from Roman Empire, you mean?
Yes.
Okay. So, what do you like to say for other countries, for other cultures? What you wish for them?
I just wish for everybody to have a good time, and that even so, a lot of our countries are going through a rough time when it comes to politics, but at the end of the day, we're here to embrace and really just celebrate the sorrow, beauty, and steadfastness of all our cultures.
What's the best specialty in your culture?
Look around you.
What you can show us?
Look around you. We have a lot of food coming. We have the dances.
It's
We have
a
the
little
music.
bit earlier.
Yes, yes. We started early, yes.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Okay, next time. Have a nice joy. Have a nice
You too.
fun.
We'll
Thank you so
visit you in
much.
Turkmenistan as well.
Really?
Yes, of
You have
course.
visited?
No, I will visit your booth here.
Of
Yes,
course,
yes,
of course.
yes,
We
of
are
course.
waiting there. Welcome.
Thank you to Medipol University, and thank you to Al Azim Consulting.
Thank you to Palestine and thank you to Medipol University. Go on.
Thank you.
Have a nice-
Al Azim Consulting.